Hello everyone, welcome back my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to install or download any one app on App Store without billing information in iPhone and iPad. So how to download? First of all, go back here home screen, then tap on iPhone and iPad setting, then tap on Apple ID banner name, then tap on media and purchase, then tap on view account. From here, then tap on country or region. Again tap on change country or region. From here select your country. I am select United States. Terms and condition, read carefully, then tap on agree. From here you as can see payment method, debit card, credit card, PayPal and non. What you need to do is tap on non, then scroll it down and enter your street name, enter your city name, select your state. I am select California, then tap on California zip code, enter your phone number, then tap on next. That's it. After that, I hope your problem will be fixed. If the video is helpful, then like and subscribe my channel. If you have any problem, share with me in the comments box. I am help you more. Thanks for watching.